Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious virgin mojito. First, you'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together, pressing just enough to release the mint's aroma and the lime's juice. This step is crucial for building the drink's foundational flavor. Next, fill your glass to the brim with crushed ice. This keeps your mojito perfectly chilled and adds to its refreshing texture. Now, pour in 4 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice, followed by 2 ounces of simple syrup. The simple syrup ensures a smooth, even sweetness throughout your drink, balancing the tartness of the lime beautifully. To complete your virgin mojito, top the glass with about 6 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds the signature effervescence that makes a mojito so delightful. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to mix all the flavors without losing too much of the fizz. You want those bubbles to last, creating a truly refreshing experience. Finally, for that perfect presentation, garnish your virgin mojito with a fresh lime wheel and a vibrant sprig of mint. These not only look appealing, but also add to the aromatic experience. Serve your delicious, alcohol-free mojito immediately and enjoy its crisp, refreshing flavors. It's a fantastic drink for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.